What up guys, Ifeanyi here, welcome back to my channel. So I recently got a new phone, the iPhone 11, after my old iPhone 6s got damaged by water. So I thought to do an unboxing video and show you guys what is included in this box and the look and feel of this product. So I got this phone, the iPhone 11, in the color lilac, and the storage capacity is 128 gigabytes. So, the phone comes with the usual contents of a new iPhone. That is, the charger, the headset, the SIM pin, and of course, the famous Apple logos. One would think that by now, Apple would start including their AirPods in their newer phones, right? Sadly, there are no AirPods in an iPhone 11 yet, for any of you wondering out there. First impressions. I was definitely excited to transition into this particular range because of the new technology added to the iPhone range, such as the facial recognition, removal of the home button, wider screen, etc. The ranges of colors available is also great, as one has more options to choose from rather than just the usual grey and black in other iPhone models. I am particularly impressed by the look of the back of the phone, as it looks glassy, but it is still durable because I've had it fall a few times and it's been fine, no scratches, nothing. The iPhone 11 has a 6.1 inches screen, while the iPhone 6s has a 4.7 inches screen, just a 1.4 inches difference. Whilst the difference doesn't seem much, but I guarantee you, when watching videos on this phone, you would enjoy it better rather than on an iPhone 6s. Watching videos on this phone definitely gives you a much higher resolution than on the iPhone 6s. So, just to demonstrate further, you can see my old phone, the iPhone 6s, side by side with the iPhone 11. You can see how vast the differences are. The iPhone 6s, whilst they still look really nice and still usable in this day and age, and it does the job for you. It looks, a bit different from the iPhone 11. You can see that the logos have shifted on the iPhone 11 and the sizes are also different, inclusive of the colors as well. They have changed, and you see that they have removed the upper and lower bars, I don't know what they're called, on the screen, which is on the iPhone 6, and it is no longer on the iPhone 11, giving you much room to view your videos on. So there you have it. I hope I've been able to demonstrate to you the differences so far between an iPhone 6s and an iPhone 11. So, are you looking to change your phone this year? What phone are you going for? What model? Are you transitioning from an Android to an iPhone? Let me know in the comment section below and ask me all the questions you've got for me. I'll be there to answer all your questions. As always, thank you very much for watching my videos. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and until I see you in my next video, goodbye.